Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to create newsletters in Mailchimp. First, we need to go to our account and go ahead right here to start creating one. So, newsletter is basically a template that we can be sending to our contact as emails. Now, you can be trying to design them through here, through the email, or as well, you can design them through homepage and go to here in this templates area. We can choose one of the templates in case we had the premium version. I don't have it, but I will show you what kind of library they have. Here we go. Click on here, email purpose, and choose newsletter. Once you choose it, you will have every single template that matches the theme of newsletter that you can be using. Of course, I can't apply or choose them since they are asking me to upgrade my plan so I can get this library. For me, I'm not gonna use this at all. I'm simply going to go ahead and go right here to the dashboard and try to create it from scratch. So start from scratch is what we're gonna do. Here we go. And now what is left to do is to simply start designing. Now newsletter has some element that needs to be contained in it. So use these elements right here as blocks. So heading, paragraph, button, divider, spacer, image, etc. Use them all. Use your creativity. Match your theme of ideas and your brand theme, and make sure that everything here is basically as should it be. Of course, you can use even buttons here and link them with links, email, phone, file, and so much more, so you can actually have a little bit of life and attractiveness in your Mailchimp newsletter email. So yeah, this is how you can do it. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.